Hello everybody, welcome to another class. Before I started, I got a little instrument. This is a ukulele, right? This is for my small friend, so it will be easy to play, right? This is from the Makala brand. I got it from Bajaj.com, right? I am not going to get anything from the company, but I just say you can order instruments online from reliable websites, safer, especially during these times, and you can use them, play them, and enjoy it. Okay, right. So in today's class, we will learn how to play the chords of minor scales. Right. Just a quick recap of the previous classes where we learned in a major scale. Okay. The first chord, the fourth chord, and the fifth chord was major. Second, third, and sixth was minor, and the seventh chord was diminished. Okay, right. So now we want to know how to know what are the chords of a minor scale. Okay. So we again will go back to the major scale: C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Right. So to derive the minor of this major, you go to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right, it becomes A minor. So it will be A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. Okay. So this is the A minor scale. Now we are learning the natural minor. Okay. So same like what we did for the major scales. This will be named as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So now we want to know the first chord, right? The first chord will be A, C, and E. So A, C, and E will be. We will go back to our Casio keyboard, right? It will be. Okay, I will forward to the one, right? A, C, E, right? So this will be A minor, right? So the first chord is always a minor. So this is A minor. Okay. We go to the second chord, B, D, F, right? So it will be B, D, F. Like I said, I'm going faster now. You have to learn semitones, distances thoroughly right now, by now, and know how to calculate and arrive at what chord it is, right? B, D, F. The BDF is 3 and 3, so it will become B diminished chord. Okay, so next chord will be C, E, G, right? C, E, G. That's the third chord. So third chord will be C, E, G. This will be C major, right? It's 4 and 3. Okay. The next you have D, F, and A. D, F, and A. The fourth chord, this will be D minor, right? This is the D, F, A, right? That is 3 and 4. Then you go to, I will extend the scale just to get the other notes. E, G, B, correct? So this is the fifth chord. That will be E, G, B. Okay? So it will be E, G, B, right? So this will be E minor. Okay, we have our friend now writing down on it. Good. Sixth one will be F, A, C. So it will be F major. Okay. Sixth one will be G, B, and D. Correct? G, B, D, G major. So I'm sorry, I said 6, it is 7. Yeah, that is 1. Okay. Okay. So these are the chords what we have got now. Right. Again, now if we simplify it, right? The most common chords what is used in a minor scale is usually 1, 7, and 6. This is the normal progression. So if you hear any song in the minor scale, generally it will sound like, right? So there is nothing but A minor, right? A minor, G, and F, right? So correct. And the fifth chord. Fifth chord is also important. Okay? So it will be 1, 7, 6, and 5. Okay? So the fifth chord is a minor in a natural minor scale M. Very good. Okay? Now imagine if this is a natural minor, right? So now imagine this becomes a. This is a natural minor scale, right? Now imagine it becomes a harmonic minor. Correct? So in a harmonic minor, if you go back to your previous videos, you will remember the seventh note is sharp, and that sharp note is an accidental, right? So the G in the E becomes E, G sharp, and B, right? In this case, E becomes E major. So the fifth chord becomes E major, right? So the fifth chord and the fourth chord. Now we go to next to the A melodic minor. Okay. In melodic minor, what do we have? We have F sharp and G sharp as the sharp accidental. Right? So here instead of F, it becomes F sharp. Correct. So the D minor becomes major. Okay. I hope it is a little clear. So basically, what I am trying to tell you is the constant chords in a minor scale are the 1, 7, and 6, which are major. Okay. The other important chords are the third chord, okay, which is also a major. Okay. The the fourth and the fifth chord can be a major or minor depending upon the subtype of the minor chord. Okay. Oh, so it will be A minor, G, F, right? 1, 7, 6. Okay. Now, if you want to play the fourth chord, it will be D minor or D major, depending upon what type of subtype of the minor scale, or E minor or E major, depending upon the subtype of the scale. Okay. So, to summarize, in the major scale, the most important chords are the 1, 4, 5, which is major. Whereas in the minor scale, the most important chords are the 1, 7, and 6. Okay. So same way, if I go to another minor scale, consider I go to D minor scale. So it will be D minor, the first note. The seventh note will become C, the C chord, C major, D flat. Okay. If you don't understand, I will make another video probably. But for now, do this chart, and like I said, do the same chart for other scales of the minor key. Okay, and derive the chords and let me know, and you can see whether you are doing it right or wrong, and then we can go on from there. Okay. Thank you for watching. Like I said, leave a comment or email me. I'll be happy to help you sort out your problems, and then you can enjoy what you are doing. Okay. Good day.